It's definitely a very important part of life to go out on your own and see the world. And this is the best way to do it. I think to myself, like,
how incredibly complex and individual everyone around the world is, and how each of them have a life as unique as your very own.
When you're stuck at home in one country or you don't travel that much, you see the world one way.
I personally love to travel because I see everybody else's world.
And you get to really live it with them. I'm here right now. Like, this is actually happening, and I'll just become so aware of everything around me and the noises and the smells and the sights. And
it's a new experience. Experience is knowledge. Experience is really something you just can't beat. You can learn all you want in the classrooms, but
there's a big difference between learning and living and experiencing the culture.
The best way to embrace the world is to get out there, is to be open-minded and try new things.